Hi guys, welcome back again. So I have changed some of the settings on the action camera for my mic. I'm using some different settings now, some pro settings for the video and audio too also. And I have changed the mic position inside the camera, sorry, inside my helmet a little bit. So previously it was not at the correct point. So I think now it is better. So I'm going to have some early dinner, and this is test 2 for the mic, Samsung mic which I have installed. So these are the some streets of Bangalore. This is Tin Factory, Beniganhalli metro station area, and we are going to Udayanagar market to eat something healthy, comparatively more healthy, less oily something, but only idli is there if we compare with the no oil criteria. So I don't know what I'm talking, like it's a starting, so I need your support. I'm just talking anything which is coming in my mind. I was thinking to keep these videos in English or Hindi, but I thought English is way better. So why to restrict? So it is like a auto race going on. This is see one more Ronin and one Himalayan. So anything regarding bikes, if you have in your mind, all the bikes till 4 lakhs ex showroom price, I have my eye on all the bikes. I know many things. I can just tell you what to do, what not to do. So see how bad the roads are. So normal bikes, like you can't just see one more Hunter. I think normal bikes in streets in Bangalore, it's too difficult. I don't know. Suspension should be okay. So this is Shiva temple here. Yesterday Mahashivratri I came here, had the prasadam and all. So starting again. This is test 2 of the mic setup inside the helmet. See, the guy was giving indicator in the last, so I can't do anything in these things. You have to be careful by yourself only. So I'm just riding through the market for once. So let me close this zip. So we'll do some testing in the market. This is Udayanagar market near Beniganhalli metro station. So when I came to Bangalore, it was like how to spell Garuda Char Palya or Singayana Palya. It was damn difficult. So I just search it in the mobile and show the mobile to the ticket guy on the counter in the metro. So from February, so and guys, today 1 year for me, 1 year is just completed in Bangalore, just today only. So I think from here we cannot go, it's too crowded. I was thinking to go there and come back from one more. It's okay. So today, 1 year of me coming to Bangalore just got completed. So, so from February to September, February, March. Can you just count the months with me? February, March, April, May, June, July. 7 months I was just walking on the streets using metro and all. In October's first week, in the starting only, I got this bike. So that was a very good experience, very much good. I am happy with the bike for its value for money thing, but I am not happy with the bike which I have. So under 2 lakhs, sorry, under 1.5 lakhs ex showroom, this is one of the best bike. Till 1.6, 1.7 lakhs ex showroom also, this is one of the best bike. But you have the option to just purchase any bike, any other bike also. So that can be like under 2 lakhs ex showroom. Like Honda Highness, that is 1.92 lakhs ex showroom, that is a very good price. Or the RS at 1.97 lakhs. So these options are there. Till then, RTX 300, the adventure bike, was not launched. Otherwise, that is also a very good option at 1.99 lakhs ex showroom base, the white color. So in the meanwhile, you can have look at the market area and all, and enjoy the things. So I'm just testing the mic which I've installed in my helmet. I already told this is a test too. I've changed the placing of the mic, some settings also, like manual settings I'm using now with my action camera, Action 4. So let's see how it will go. So I was telling about my 1 year. See this MF in the corner also, he just come like anything in the speed. You have to be very careful, and especially moto vlogging, it's not for everyone. You have to be very good rider. So when to gear change and all, because you are talking also, you are seeing the road and a lot of things, and the helmet is always on. It's also a little bit distraction, and so you should be a very good rider. You should not be distracted while recording and while speaking and riding the bike, and you should know when to change the gears without seeing the meter. It comes with experience. For me, it's like just I think 2000 kilometers just got completed on this bike. So before this bike, I used to ride my home father's bike, which was Hunk 150. That was also a very good bike, but a lot years back. On that, I have not rides that much kilometers. So this is my first time riding the bike continuously. That too, like now 2000 kilometers. Some confusion was there with that car. This is very common. That's okay. So I'm just testing the mic and riding through the streets nearby me. Like I don't have the need to go through these paths, but just to burn some petrol. Because पैसा तो आता जाता रहेगा. Experience matters. So let's see. And it's like dusk time also. Sun has already gone, but the little bit sunlight is there, so we call it dusk. In the morning we call it dawn, or maybe different, vice versa. I'm not sure. So I don't know how good exhaust sound is coming with this mic setup. So let me close the visor, and then I think my voice will increase, that I know. But outside, how much it will be less, I'm not sure. We will see in the recording later. So just for testing, I close the visor. Here in the streets, there is no need to close the visor. In the speed only, you should close the visor, and that too also, like I suggest to wear the glasses every time. Even if you don't have any eyesight or all, but wearing a glasses is a very good safe thing. So that is one thing. We'll go this side. So one Innova is coming. That's a very big car, seven-seater. So what a view! That cherry blossom tree is looking so gorgeous. But breakers after every 50 meter, and so like it's very difficult to ride with all these conditions. Oh, doggies bhai. He playing on its own. That's okay. So what we were talking about? Comment and let me know what I forget. So breakers after every 50 meters. Like in this particular way, it's like I think there are 5 to 6 breakers from the starting to the main road. That's very annoying. So where you want me to go now? I'm thinking where should we go? I think back to that area only, not on the main road. So I was talking about the bike. So it was like under 1.5 lakhs ex showroom. This is one of the best bike. There is no doubt in that, and it's subjective also. But at least for me, it's one of the best bike. But the issue is we can go for under 2 lakhs ex showroom, under 2.5 lakh ex showroom, and under 3 lakhs ex showroom also. That depend on your budget. In that sense, I'm not happy with my bike, but with this bike, I'm very happy. See, I was riding straight. That guy just like no helmet and all, and just going parallelly with me and just staring like hell. What I have taken from him. So one of the main thing you have to like be sure of the indicator, that people will not give indicator, still they can turn at any time. So you have to be very cautious about that one thing, at least according to me. So I'm just going back to that place only from where I started riding now for this vlog. So I think while riding the bike and speaking, it is also like an skill or art that will come with time. I think so, because I have to ride the bike also, and then I have to speak and all think, and so let's see. With time, I think it will become better, but still. So this is not a good place for motor blocking. Highway is a better place. You can cruise at a particular speed, and then you can speak anything and all. You have to go just straight, and also here it's like you have to decrease the gear, increase the gear, be cautious about the people. Some MFs also will come and just like without indicator they will turn it. Oof. So what are you missing in life? I can just say I am very sure that not having a vehicle, you are missing so many things in the life. If you are a boy, obviously a bike. If you are a girl, that's also okay. You can have a bike or you can have a scooty. So some off-roading patch. Oof. So the speed comes under 10, then you have to change to first gear and again to second. You don't have any option. I try to not go under 10 even on breakers, but still sometimes you have to be, so it's okay. So I was telling about moto vlogging. It's not easy. It's not advisable until you can drive the bike very good, very cautiously, because like you have to speak also, and then you have to go this way. Let uncle go. So, oh my god, what a car! It's 6:30. Let's see if we can get idli to eat. I'm not sure, but it's okay. It's my regular shop for the dinner. I think so. Welcome back, guys. Devi or Sajino. The issue is there is no place to keep gloves and all on the bike, and it's too irritating. Have to find a way, because gloves you cannot wear first and then wear the helmet, because a balaclava you have to wear anyway. That you can wear perfectly with the help of your hands only. So first wear balaclava. First put the key into the bike. That is first thing. Then wear balaclava. Then wear helmet. Then wear specs, and then you can wear gloves in the last. So that's the issue. Everything is okay, but like the gloves, where you will keep? In that case, the visor was very helpful. This area we can keep the gloves. So let's. It's okay. After some days, I can keep the visor again. It's up to me only. Like, so anyway, the one thing is there with TVS Ronin. Its headlight is like that much unique, and the finish is also too good that anyone can recognize. Oh, it's a Ronin. Like, who have some little knowledge. Other bikes you can, all Royal Enfield bikes have same headlight from 350 to 450 cc. It's the damn same. It's a very weak headlight, and all the RE bikes have same. So Honda CB350 series, all the three bikes have same headlight setup. So that's it. The issue is there are so many MFs, like who will keep their headlight on high beam. See, in these streets and all, you don't need high beam. Okay, for me it's low beam now. Now it's high beam. Again, I kept low beam only. So this is already well lit through the street lights and all through the shops. And that high beam is like a big issue to other person who is driving the bike in front of you or the car. So, but like you know about India's civic sense, the debate can be very long, but the conclusion is India don't have its particular normal civic sense. That's true. So where we are heading now? I think we'll end this ride now. We'll go to the room and finish some office work and all, and we'll meet again in the next vlog. Hopefully that will be final full-fledged vlog, not any testing. Like this is I'm just testing the mic and all. So I'm hoping to the next vlog to be the full vlog, proper. I am also just practicing to ride and then to talk at the same time simultaneously. So the issue with the cars are like they are too slow in the streets. They are too slow, and you have to be behind the car. That is one issue. So I am ending this ride, people. If you are such, so we'll meet again.